With great features that make cooking effortless, this electric cooker with induction hob from Zanussi always delivers amazing results. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main oven has a large 77-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is smaller with a 39-litre capacity. There are 4 cooking zones on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. Zanussi's handy stop-and-go function keeps your hob under control if you have to leave your cooking for a short time. A touch of a button is all it takes to quickly lower the power of any zone you're cooking with. Then when you return to the kitchen, just press the button again and you can pick up from where you left off. So you'll never need to worry about any pans bubbling over, no matter what life throws at you. Thermaflow technology lets you perfectly cook different courses all at the same time. A fan at the back of the main oven keeps hot air moving and spreads heat quickly throughout the cavity, cutting down heat-up times. This constant circulation of heat cooks your food evenly and also makes sure there's no transfer of flavors from one dish to another. This means you can cook a variety of meals at the same time, and you'll even save on your utility bills too. If you're looking for an electric cooker with great features to help you deliver amazing results, this model from Zanussi is the ideal choice.